gave him a snack, one of the little crispy pretzels.
Oh yeah.
And he was just sitting on the pillow in there eating it, and then watching me out here.
Aww.
He was being a good boy.
Hi.
What's up?
So we made it to the Hoh Rainforest, which is super cool.
Don't litter. Styrofoam in the damn rainforest. This is a serious issue.
We brought Finn along. What does poison oak look like?
Very sharp and rigid.
Okay. So we scored this camp spot, and I'm super excited because I wasn't sure if we were actually going to get one or not. Granted, it's by the road, but on the other side there is the Tree of Life. I've been wanting to see the Tree of Life forever, and this is the first time Rex and I will have a camp trip of just the two of us. And we've been together for over 2 years, so it's kind of surprising. We've gone camping before, but with other people, so it'll be nice, just us. Very pretty out tonight. Got the Tree of Life behind us. And I'm trying to get over my anxiety.
All dead ones. Actually, no, that one's dead too. He's got a whole pect in him. That one's a really weird shape, huh?
A lot of sand dollars.
Never had so many.
We are at Crescent Lake. Woo!
Halfway point.
Yep. Such a nice day, we had to stop and get coffee. I didn't vlog it, but we got some killer iced coffee and a mocha.
This place is called A Shot in the Dark.
Yes. It's in Forks. It's super good. Man, it's cheap too. Like, are you kidding me? I'm not gonna go get that shit.
Good boys.
It's so calming. I just want to live here, but it's very expensive. And I don't want to leave when your man is adorable and cute and leaves the little carvings. So we're sitting here waiting for the ferry. We got here like
Hour and 20 minutes early.
yeah.
Whoopsies.
And you're cleaning sand dollars.
Ooh.
Yay! And now, since I got some footage, I've been editing photos, I've been editing videos, so if you guys want to go follow that, check that out right there. That's how we're killing the time. Also, my face is breaking out hella bad, so definitely gonna have a face mask and nice shower type of night.
Oh yeah. Face off.
Yes.